Imagine pulling out your favorite enameled baking dish, only to see it covered in burnt stains, crusted grease, and layers of food that just won't budge. You want to toss it in the trash, right? But what if I told you that even the dirtiest, most hopeless-looking dish can be brought back to life with just a few simple steps? Let me show you a method that's not just cleaning, it's a rescue mission. Let's be honest, we've all been there. You bake the perfect lasagna, the cheese bubbles over, the edges crisp up beautifully, and then you realize what you've done. That gorgeous enameled dish? It's now a battlefield of burnt edges, baked on grease, and black marks that laugh in the face of your sponge. You try scrubbing. You soak it overnight, maybe even curse it a little, but nothing seems to work. And there's that voice in your head that says, maybe it's just ruined now. But what if I told you it's not? What if your enameled baking dish could look almost brand new again? Stick around, because what you're about to learn isn't just a cleaning trick. It's a way to save something you love. Before we jump into the rescue mission, let's understand the enemy. Enameled baking dishes are coated with a porcelain-like glaze over heavy metal, often cast iron or steel. This enamel is beautiful, but it's also fragile. Scrub too hard, and you damage it. Use the wrong product, and it discolors. The burnt food isn't just stuck. It's chemically bonded to the surface due to high heat. So regular soap and water? Useless. You need to think like a chemist. Or like a forensic cleaner. Because getting rid of this isn't about elbow grease, it's about technique. Step 1. The secret soak. Alright, here's where the magic begins. Fill your enameled dish with hot water. Not boiling, just very warm. Then add a tablespoon of baking soda and a generous splash of dish soap. Let it soak, not for minutes, but for hours. This isn't a quick fix. Think of it like marinating your dish in redemption. The baking soda breaks down the acidic burnt residues, and the heat loosens the bonds. By the time you return, you'll notice something fascinating. The water will have turned murky. That's not dirt, it's victory. Step 2. The baking soda paste trick. Now, here's the game changer most people don't know. After soaking, take baking soda and just enough water to make a thick paste, something you can spread like icing. Then, apply it only to the worst areas. The scorched corners, the stubborn brown patches. Leave it there for 15 minutes. Or brownish tint after cleaning, don't panic. Just cut a lemon in half, sprinkle baking soda on the cut side, and use it like a scrubber. Not only does this remove discoloration, but it also leaves a fresh citrus scent. It's weirdly satisfying to see nature do what chemicals couldn't. And trust me, this step makes your dish shine. Step 5. The protection plan. Now that your baking dish is clean, let's talk about protection. After each use, avoid letting food sit too long in it. Try to rinse it while it's still warm. Avoid metal utensils, and when you store it, don't stack heavy pots on top. It can cause tiny cracks over time. These dishes can last decades, even generations, if treated right. So protect it like you would a family heirloom. Because honestly, isn't it more than just a dish? You know, we don't realize how emotionally attached we are to certain things. That baking dish? Maybe it was part of your first home-cooked meal. Maybe your mom used it every holiday. Maybe your kids know it as the mac and cheese pan. It's not just cookware, it's memoryware. But here's the beautiful part. Like us, it's fixable. And maybe, just maybe, cleaning it becomes less of a chore and more of a restoration. So the next time you see that burnt mess inside your favorite enameled baking dish, don't give up. Don't toss it away. Don't believe the lie that it's beyond saving. Because just like us, sometimes all it needs is a little time, a little patience, and the right kind of care. And when you're done, you won't just have a clean dish. You'll have a moment of quiet pride and a dish ready for the next memory. Hit like if you've ever almost given up on a dish, and subscribe if you're ready to bring more things back to life. Click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. Bonus, you'll also get access to our free community. If this video inspired you to clean anything you were ignoring, hit that like button. And if you believe every space deserves a second chance, Subscribe to The Big Sweep for more.